amazing artists! Today we're going to draw a portrait inspired by Bisa Butler. Bisa Butler is an African-American artist known for her vivid portraits and designs celebrating Black life. Portraits are drawings, paintings, photographs, or engravings of a person. Her life-size portraits are inspired by historical photography and tell someone's story. Her quilted textile paintings use fabric instead of paint and the sewing machine as if it were a brush. Her images play with light and shadow to create contrast. Contrast is the difference between art elements like color, value, size, and texture. When you have a great difference between light values and dark values, you get high contrast. Butler uses high contrast in her textile portraits not only through value, but also through color. She uses cool colors and warm colors in her work to create visual interest. When you have a black and white image, you can tell which areas are light and dark. What areas in this portrait have dark values? What areas have light values? What areas have cool tones? What areas have warm tones? You will create a portrait inspired by Bisa Butler's artwork using cool and warm colors to create contrast. You don't have to create a self-portrait or a drawing of yourself. It can be a portrait of any person. For this project, you will need a 9x12 white sheet of multi-purpose paper, an eraser, a pencil, a sharpener, a wide-tip black marker, a wide-tip blue marker, a wide-tip red marker, color pencils in warm tones, in cool tones, and neutral tones. Start by turning your page to a vertical position. With your pencil, draw a large oval in the middle of your page using light pressure. If your shape looks crooked, erase and redraw your lines until you have a symmetrical oval shape. Draw a vertical line down the middle of your oval. Draw a horizontal line across the middle of your oval, creating a cross. On the left side of your cross, find the center and draw a small dot. Do the same on the right side of your cross. Draw a small circle around the dots, making sure they are about the same size. This is the iris of the eye. Find the center on the bottom side of your cross and make a dot. This will be the bottom of your nose. Find the center between the left iris and the center of the cross and draw a dot. Do the same on the right side. Draw a small curve like the letter U for the nose. Using the other center points as guidelines, draw small curves on the sides of the nose that look like the letter C. Next to the U shape, draw small curves on each side for the nostrils. Find the center between the left iris and the side of the face and draw a dot. Do the same on the right side. Draw a curve on top of the left pupil from one dot to the other. It's okay to overlap the circle. Do the same on the right side. Draw a curve below the left iris from one dot to the other. Do the same on the right side. Use your pencil eraser to get rid of the leftover lines above the eyes. Find the center between the nose and the chin. This will be the center of the mouth. Find the center between the center of the mouth and the left side of the face and draw a dot. Do the same on the right side. These will be the edges of the mouth. Draw a line that connects the three dots, creating the line between the lips. If the line is curved down, it would look like a sad face. If the line is curved up, it will look like a happy face. Draw a curve below the middle line, creating the bottom lip. Draw 2 curves above the middle line, creating the top lip. Draw a small curve in the center of the top lip and erase the leftover lines. Feel free to make the lips smaller or bigger by adjusting the top and bottom curves of the mouth. Draw curves above the eyes to create eyelids. Draw curves above the eyelids to create eyebrows. Then draw another curve below the eyebrows to turn them into shapes. Erase all your drawing guidelines. Draw a small circle inside the iris. This is the pupil. Add eyelashes using small lines. Draw a neck by adding vertical lines on each side of the face. Add ears by drawing curves shaped like the letter C. Notice the ear starts at the eye and ends at the nose. Draw the bottom of the neck with a curve. Add shoulders by drawing horizontal lines on each side of the neck. Draw any kind of hair. It can be straight, curly, long, short, making sure it fills some of the forehead and also goes above the forehead line. Trace the pencil line drawing with a black wide tip marker. Erase all of the pencil lines. Add hair to the eyebrows with the marker using small diagonal lines. Draw a pattern on the shirt. And draw a pattern for the background. Color the iris in any color. Feel free to blend colors. Color the pupil black, leaving a little area white. This is a reflection. Grab your yellow color pencil and make sure it's sharpened. Draw irregular shapes or blobs around your face and neck. These shapes don't have to look like mine. Fill in the shapes with yellow, making sure there are no white spaces. On the right side of the face and neck only, draw light blue blobs and fill them in. Do the same with a dark blue pencil on the right side only. Notice I am coloring the ears as well. Fill in the rest of the white areas on the right side of the face with a green colored pencil. On the left side of the face and neck only, use a pink colored pencil to draw blobs. Fill them in with pink. Draw more blobs on the left side with an orange colored pencil and fill them in. With a red colored pencil, fill in the rest of the white spaces on the left side of the face and neck only. Use a purple colored pencil to fill in the lips around the yellow blobs. Grab a red wide tip marker and outline the black lines on the left side of the face and neck only. Grab a blue wide tip marker and outline the black lines on the right side of the face and neck only. Outline the hair with a blue or red marker. Color the hair in any color. Feel free to blend colors. Outline the shirt and background with a red or blue marker and color them with any color. You now have a portrait using contrasting colors inspired by Bisa Butler.